Brian here with the West Automotive Group. We're talking about things you should know about parts being installed on your vehicle when you're having your vehicle serviced or repaired. The quality, but also what are they as far as that goes. So there's a lot of different nomenclature for parts. Actually a couple categories, to be honest with you, that we'll go over. One is remanufactured. And in the state of California, if a remanufactured part's put on your vehicle, it has to be documented as that on the invoice. The other is a new part. So we can put new parts on a vehicle, obviously, and get them sometimes. Sometimes remanufactured is the best way to go and the only way to go, especially if it's a newer component and it's failed on a newer vehicle, then a lot of times that's a good way to go. Used components, as far as that goes, often can be put on a vehicle, but we usually want to stay away from what we call moving parts as far as that goes. Fuel injection, electronics, thermostat assemblies, items like that, not so great. You need a subframe or a fender, possibly a way to go. Sometimes remanufactured transmission's not available, so low mileage, good use can be good also. But you really want to know what's being put on your vehicle so that you can understand the warranty and what to expect out of it. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
Watch for the Automan Fridays on the CW San Diego, sponsored by the West Automotive Group.